What's up guys, ngayong araw samahan nyo ako mag-react dito sa jamming nila Naces, Stacy at Nisha ng Banda Mission Souls gamit yung kanilang ukulele. Guys, ay meron nag-sponsor sa kanila nito, si Sir B. Brown at si Miss Shen. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling ang Banda Mission Souls sa paggamit nitong instrumento na to.
Don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head, get you up and going out of bed.
Ganda ng boses ni Stacy, ano? Natural na maririnig mo yung ganda ng boses ni Stacy dito sa video na to.
I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of the future 'cause I never see my mate. I don't know why this is happening, but I probably deserve it. I try to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for.
Galing pala mag-rap ni Nisha. Hindi lang sa gitara yung kanyang talent. Magaling din pala siya mag-rap.
Stay away for too long. When I leave this earth, hoping you find someone else. 'Cause yeah, we still young, so much we can forget. Buried some family, but you must.
Maririnig mo rin yung ganda ng boses ni Naces, ano?
I wish I could be me, but I would make it as a spin. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you ultimate. My life is kinda short, but I got too many blessings. Happy you're mine. It sucks that.
Hindi pala nila nilagay yung title ng kantan to, guys. Sa mga nakakaalam, guys, i-comment nyo lang kung ano yung title ng kantang to. Ayan, first time ko lang siya narinig. Pero maganda siya.
That's all I need. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry to tear up. When me and you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking easy videos.
Ang ganda nung ukulele nila, oh. Talagang quality yung pagkakagawa.
Walking through the park, you would jump into my arms every time you heard a bark. Talking in the street, you would see me fast asleep. I sneak up to the kitchen, not exactly what I make. Some days I'm in church, Mondays watching movies.
Yung kay Nisha, 5 strings. Yung kay Stacy, 4. At kay Naces.
Soon you'll be alone, sorry that you have to lose. Don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head, get you up and going out of bed.
Ganda rin ng blending nila, no? Sarap pakinggan.
Don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head, get you up and going out of bed.
Grabe yun, natural na natural, no? Yung kanilang jamming, sarap pakinggan. Wala silang gamit na kahit anong guitar effects o kung ano man.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Ayun.
Thank you.
Sila yata yung nagdala nitong ukuleles. Si Miss Yen at ang kanyang team. Baldat Yukis. Ang cute naman doon. Narinig niyo yun, guys, yung tunog na yun. SpongeBob, ano? Ang galing ni Naces. Napaka-talented talaga ng mga magkakapatid na to. Grabe. O diba, guys? Nasaksihan nyo na hindi lang sila sa electric magaling, kundi sa mga acoustic din na instrumento. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa Banda Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang cover song. At mag-subscribe na rin kayo, guys, sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.